Well, if I would have to give last final advice about how stressful FEA is, never open your old projects. Like, it's unhealthy. Like, I did it so many times. Like, it's funny because at some point you start to think that you know what you're doing, right? And then a few years pass and you don't feel that you're doing things differently. You don't feel that you grew in any significant way. And then you, by accident or by searching for something, you open an old project and it's like, wait, what? Like, how could I even did it like that? And you spend like 2 weeks checking if everything will be okay. So opening old projects is very stressful, and I highly recommend you not to do that. That would be a good
I think
advice.
that's very